So Leesa is a pretty popular brand within the online space, and they offer 5 main beds: the original Leesa mattress, the Leesa Studio, the Leesa Original Hybrid, the Leesa Sapira Hybrid, and the Leesa Legend. But if you're looking at their lineup and you're a little overwhelmed and confused as to which one is going to be right for you, you've clicked on the right video. Because today I'm going to try to go over all of these beds in pretty good detail, compare and contrast them so you can see which one is going to be right for you. Hey guys, I'm JD with the Slumber Yard, and over here we review all things online mattresses and bedding products. So if you've been checking out a Leesa mattress or another bed within the online space and you want some more information about it, head on over to our website, myslumberyard.com, or check the description box for a ton of helpful links. If you find this video at all helpful towards your online mattress search, we'd really appreciate it if you dropped a like on this video and consider subscribing to the channel for a lot more helpful content like this. But without further ado, let's get into this Leesa mega comparison.
At the Slumber Yard, you know we work real hard to find the right bed for you and save you money on it.
Alrighty, so first things first, let's talk policies. What exactly are you going to be backed by should you decide to go the route of Leesa? And it's all pretty standard stuff for the online space. Now, for the record, we did receive all of these Leesa beds for free from Leesa to review, but if you end up buying them online for yourself, you should be backed by completely free shipping to start. Once they're in your possession, you also get 100 full nights to test them all out in the comfort of your own home before you're stuck with them. If within that time frame you find that they're not really right for you, you can send them back for free. Though Leesa the brand does ask you to try them out for at least 30 nights at bare minimum before you make your decision. If you decide to keep your Leesa mattress after those first 100 nights, that's great because you're also backed by a 10-year warranty, which is pretty standard for the online space. And we'll try to link some more helpful details regarding all of Leesa's policy information down below in the description box for you guys to check out. Now with the policies out of the way, let's start talking about these Leesa beds. Starting with the original Leesa mattress, this is one of the most popular beds within the online space, probably top 5 at least. And in general, it's just a comfy 3-layer all foam bed that should be a general safe pick for just about anyone. But since it is an all foam mattress that uses dense support foam instead of pocketed coils, it's likely going to be most ideal for medium or petite sized individuals. If you're a heavier person, you probably want to look into a hybrid option offered from Leesa, and I will cover those in just a second. But in terms of the feel of the flagship Leesa, it has just a general soft neutral foam feel that practically anyone should find comfortable. It's just one of those beds that you lay on and you go, that's really accommodating and nice. Now, speaking of accommodating, it's also got a really nice firmness level right at a proper medium on our scale, so it should work for all sleeper types, whether you like to sleep on your back, side, stomach, or a combination of the 3, you should be set here. And it's also not bad on price. It's currently going for around the $1,100 range after discount, which you should be able to locate in our description box of this video. But overall, if you're looking for a good value proposition and one of the most safe picks from the Leesa lineup in terms of firmness and feel, definitely check out the flagship Leesa. Now, speaking of value, if that is one of your main concerns, you're on a bit more of a budget, you probably should check out the Leesa Studio bed. This is Leesa's budget-friendly memory foam option. It's another 3-layer all-foam mattress from the brand, so again, good for medium and petite-sized folks, but since it uses memory foam on top, it features more of a pronounced memory foam feel. It is a little bit more responsive than something like a Nectar, so you shouldn't feel stuck at all when you go to rotate around at night. And even if you don't like memory foam at all, you'll probably still dig the feel on Leesa Studio since it is a lot more responsive than other memory foam options out there. It's also right around a medium in terms of firmness, so again, good for all sleeper types. And price-wise, it's really affordable at around $700 after discount for the queen size, which is a great value for a bed like this. And again, any current discounts or promotions that we might happen to find for the Leesa Studio are going to be linked down below in the description box for this video. Now, if you're just looking for a standard hybrid pick, the first and most affordable option from the brand Leesa is their original hybrid, this guy sitting right behind me. Unlike the previous 2 Leesas, this uses coils instead of support foam on the bottom, which makes it more supportive for all body types, including heavier folks. And it even uses a layer of memory foam on top for comfort, but we would still classify it to have a general neutral foam feel. The other responsive elements within this mattress just balance everything out to make it feel more neutral, at least to us. Now, it is around a medium to a medium firm on our scale, so it's a little bit firmer than those last 2 Leesa beds, so a little bit better for back and stomach sleepers, but it still should work out great for any and all sleeper types out there. Now, price-wise, it's going to be a little bit more. It's around $1,300 as of when I'm doing this video after discount for the queen size. But that price point is still a pretty dang good value for a quality online hybrid option such as this. And again, check our description box for discounts we can find on it. Now, a more luxurious hybrid offering from the brand Leesa is their Sapira hybrid. And this bed basically has the same construction as their original hybrid, only it adds a comfort foam on top that's perforated with all these little holes. And this element is supposed to add a a bit more airflow to the bed and help it sleep cooler. Now, we wouldn't technically classify the Sapira Hybrid to be an active cooling option due to this new foam, but we do think it should sleep temperature neutral on you throughout the night, if not, a little bit cooler to some. Like the Leesa Original Hybrid, it also features a neutral foam feel, and this one is a little bit on the firmer end of the spectrum, closer to a medium firm. So it should work out fine for all sleeper types, but specifically best for back and stomach sleepers looking for tons of nightly support. As of when I'm doing this video, you can pick up a Sapira Hybrid queen size for right around the $1,700 mark after discount. And again, we should have something to help you out with those savings linked in the description box. But what about side sleepers? I just talked about some good options for back and stomach sleepers, but if you are a side sleeper and you're looking for the most appropriate option from Leesa, you might want to check out their most premium bed, which is the Leesa Legend. This is the most premium high quality mattress offering from the brand Leesa, and it has the same type of construction as the last two hybrid ones that I just mentioned, only it incorporates a zone support layer comprised of microcoils and foam, so it should help to keep your back more neutrally aligned at night. And it also features a hypoallergenic cover that's actually comprised of organic cotton, merino wool, and recycled fibers from water bottles, if you can believe it. So this is Leesa's more sustainably sourced option. It should be good for any green thumbs out there, and the whole bed is actually Green Guard Gold certified, which is a pretty tough natural and organic certification to get. In terms of feel, it features more of a soft foam feel, kind of a soft or neutral foam feel that's a bit more nuanced. You kind of get a little bit of a sinking sensation from those microcoils, and due to its softer firmness profile, which sits in between a medium soft and a medium on our scale, it should work out great for any side or combination sleepers out there looking for tons of pressure relief. I personally really enjoy the feel that's found on the Leesa Legend. I think it's really nice. I think it should be a great option for anyone who's looking for more of a luxurious pick, and the pricing definitely reflects that luxurious notion. It's right around the $2,100 range after discount for the queen size. But that's as of when I'm doing this video, and that could likely change in the near future, so check in the description to see whatever is current with all the pricing and promotions for all these Leesa beds. And speaking of that, that's pretty much going to sum it up for this mega comparison. I could go into a final verdict for each one, but I think you guys get the gist. What do you think? Was this mega comparison helpful for you? Which Leesa bed would you go with within their lineup? Write us down below in the comments. We would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, you got something out of it, hit the thumbs up button, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for a lot more. And if you need any more information about any one of these beds from Leesa, head on over to our website, myslumberyard.com, or check down below in the description box. There should be a ton of helpful goodies linked down there for you, but that's pretty much going to do it for this one. Again, I'm JD with the Slumber Yard. Hopefully you're doing well out there. And like always, sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.
Like and subscribe.